Are you tired of wasting hours trying to build a website, manage hosting, or set up WordPress? What if you could launch a fast, professional, fully designed website in minutes without touching a single line of code? Today, let me introduce you to Hostinger, one of the fastest growing website hosting and AI-powered website builders in the world. Hostinger doesn't just give you hosting, it gives you everything you need to build, launch, and grow your online presence the smart way. Let's dive in. Hostinger is an all-in-one web hosting and website creation platform designed for beginners, professionals, and businesses. It provides fast hosting, domain registration, AI website creation, WordPress tools, cloud hosting, VPS, email services, e-commerce capabilities, and automated management features. Whether you want to build a portfolio, run a business, launch a blog, or sell products, Hostinger gives you the complete toolkit. If you're ready to build a modern, fast, and professional website with the power of AI, check the link in the description to sign up on Hostinger today. Let Hostinger do the heavy lifting while you focus on growing your brand.
Let's take a quick look at how someone used the Hostinger assistant for his blog. A very big credit to him.
So, Hostinger's AI assistant for WordPress, is it any good? Well, let's take a look. So if you're like me and you host your website with Hostinger, you may have this message in your H panel saying, Hostinger AI Assistant, try our tools to generate engaging content for your WordPress website. You can then install that plugin here. So I'm going to do that now and we're going to take a look at the plugin. So after installing the plugin, we get this message saying that it was installed successfully. We can then go to our admin panel and log into WordPress. Now, once we're in our dashboard, we can go to the AI content creator here. So it will be in the top left. So go ahead and click on it and you can then create content with AI. So apparently you can write a topic and it's going to save you time and create SEO friendly content. So let's see if it's up to scratch of a human and if I would use it personally. So content types, we want it to create a post, we want it to be neutral, and we're going to keep it at a medium length. Now we'll explain what our content's about and we'll get it to write an article about something here. So for this content here, I'm going to pretend that I'm a travel blogger and I'm going to get Hostinger's AI content creator to write an article about the best beaches in Thailand. I've told it to focus on the best beaches that are for beginners, as well as beaches that are a little harder to get to and less commercial. I've told it to really sell the Thai beaches to the reader and try and explain in detail how great they are. What are the focus keywords? I'm going to write here Thailand, beaches, and travel. Then we're going to get AI to now generate the content. So you can see we've got brewing content with magic. Let's see how long this takes and how good this article is. Okay, so that took around about 2 minutes for that to generate. It's also AI generated us an image, which we can set as the featured image, which I'm going to do. And I'm also going to add this image inside the content. So here we've got discover Thailand's best beaches from beginner friendly to hidden gems. It's going to then give us an introduction. And obviously I'm not going to read this on camera. We've also got beginner friendly beaches, and these beaches, as of someone who's been to Thailand, are pretty good. Patong Beach is the most popular beach. It then talks about islands in Thailand, also known as Chawang Beach, which again is a popular beach here. And then it talks about Krabi. These are all places in Thailand, and Freedom Beach, which is a less commercial hidden beach. So it's done a pretty good job in terms of research from my personal experience with Thailand. It's also giving you here tips for planning your Thai beach vacation. Now some of the wording here is a bit off. Like I wouldn't really write tips for planning your Thai beach vacation. Sounds a bit off. And then also I wouldn't put beginner friendly to hidden gems in the title. I was just kind of explaining a way for the AI to understand what angle I was going for. Beginner friendly beaches probably wasn't the best way to explain it on my part. So let's scroll down and we'll click publish and then see what happens. So there we go, we've now published this article and we've got our featured image. We've got the image which shows here in the blog post, and then you've got the overall article. So overall, it's done a pretty good job. One thing I would like to see is it adding images here based on the beach. So if it talks about a specific beach, maybe I would want it to add images as well. But for a beta program, it's actually done a really good job. Now you're gonna have to ignore my blog. This is just a very new website. But in terms of actual creating the content, it's done a pretty good job and I'm happy with it. So let me know if you're going to use it in the comment section below. Maybe it's going to help you create your content or just give you ideas and create blog posts that you can tweak yourself. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.
Getting started with Hostinger is super easy. I have dropped the link to their website in the description below. Follow that link and it will bring you to their website. On the top right corner, you will see My Account button. Click on it and then sign up with your Gmail or any other email. Once that is done, you are brought into your dashboard where all the magics happen. On your left, you choose the task you are working on. It could be website creation, hosting, email marketing, and so on. Thanks for watching this full tutorial on how to build a website using the Hostinger AI Website Builder and the WordPress Assistant. As you've seen, this is one of the easiest and fastest ways to create a professional website without touching a line of code. Like this video, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you need help with anything. See you in the next one.